Hello guys, welcome back to the series I'm going to be doing called Cringey Cooking. I know, the title's cringy, because it's cringy. That's funny. Anyway, so basically in Cringey Cooking, I'm going to be doing some cooking, because I'm quite bad at cooking. I'm going to be showing you my way of doing cooking, but it's probably going to turn out as a disaster, and it's going to be cringy, because it's me. And I'm cringy. So, anyway, I'm cringing myself out. So in this episode, we're going to be making a banana milkshake. Banana milkshake, I just love them. And you can get these things, but I know who wants these things. You can just make one yourself. So, first you need, obviously, banana. I know it's a weird ingredient. We're definitely not making a milkshake. Here we are. Anyway, so we need a banana, and you need to peel it like that, and you just so take that bit off, take the end off because you don't need that, do you? Okay, so take the end off with your knife. Be very careful with a knife because you need adults' help. So, and then you need to just scrape that bit off. It doesn't matter if it has bruises. I don't know what, but people are like, oh wow, for this. Yeah, whatever. And then, so you got your banana here. You just slice it up into little bits. There you go. And then this is a saxophone. Oh no. Okay, so you're going to need a blender for this, so if you don't have a blender, get to the supermarket and get one. So yeah. Right, okay, so we need this. So, I don't know, we'll show you what it looks like, but I don't know, oh yeah, always have a tea towel at hand, so even if you're not filming, so. You know what it looks like at the moment, you know. This is what your banana's supposed to look like. So that is one whole banana. And next ingredient you need is blender, which is not really an ingredient, but ow! So you've got this blender. It's called Breville. Yeah, Breville. Yeah. Good brand, yeah. So and then we've got this thing. Take this lid off. And then pull the banana in. Like so. Get the banana in. Like so. Where's the other bit? Oh, here. Okay, so, sorry, that's what it's supposed to look like. So cool there. And then, the next ingredient we need is a little bit of milk. We have got some British milk. And you need some, oh, we haven't got any British ice cream. But that doesn't matter, you can use, what should I use? I'll be alright. It'll be alright. If you don't have ice cream, it doesn't actually matter. So we've got some British milk here. Yes. It'll be British, yeah. Okay. So put some in. Like this. Fill it up to about there. Maybe. And you know what? Because I haven't got any thingy, I'm just going to use a bit of Tesco's banana milkshake. A little bit, because you don't have to. I don't do this, because it's not actually the recipe. My normal recipe is I put a bit of milkshake, a bit of ice cream in, but, you know, because I'm such a pro cooker, don't need it now. So, got this blender, And oh yeah, don't tell anyone this. So don't tell anyone this. But what's this? Where is it? Oh yeah, here it is. Nutmeg. Nutmeg. There you go. Nutmeg. British nutmeg. Yeah. So yeah. So this is British nutmeg, you know. So then put a bit in, just to, you know, give it a bit of spice. So it looks like that. I'll show you what it looks like now. It looks like that. So it's pretty filled like that to the milk, and then it's got all this side. So yeah. So I'll just run through the ingredients you need. So you need milk, 1 banana, and an ice cream, and nutmeg, just to top it off. You can either use nutmeg or cinnamon. You have to use like the powder, ground thing. Anyway, so let's get on to blending. This is the fun part, which I'm really hyped about. So put this thing on. That looks deadly. That looks deadly. Ooh, that looks very deadly. Remember to get your parents' help with this, because I don't want you guys cutting yourselves. Because I wouldn't like that would hurt. So don't cut yourself, be very careful with knives and that. Whatever. And okay, so this way. How do you put this thing on? There. Okay. Oh, I put it on. Okay, so it's in like this thing. So this is my the different blenders have different like styles, but this is my blender. It's a pretty sick blender. Put it on like that and then plug it in. This is now it's gonna go. Nah, I'm joking. And then you press on the top of that so it doesn't come out, even though it won't. I know it won't. Okay, so let's go. But I don't actually know how much you're supposed to blend it. I'm such a good cook. Really loud. Ta-da! And then after give it a shape like that. Don't overblend it, don't underblend it. That's my little motto. Don't underblend it, don't overblend it. Okay, so it looks a bit weird. I think I did it right. Okay, anyway, so guys, we've got this. This is just my mess. That's exactly, yeah, well, let's cover it. But yeah, so I'm gonna get a cup now. It's so messy because look how messy that is. My OCD is just triggering me now. Okay, so I'm gonna put you guys over here on the table. Where should I put you? Okay, so I'm just gonna grab a cup and then try this thing, because obviously you've got to try it. Yeah. Sit at the table. There we go. It doesn't look very banana-y, does it? It doesn't look that banana-y. I've got to say, it's not very banana-y, is it? It just looks very white. Like it looks banana-y, like it should be more like yellowy, but it doesn't look very banana-y. Yeah, it's the final product. There you go. Sorry, this massive door here, like it gives off light, so it's a bit annoying. So I'll just put you on this box. Actually, no. Okay, so I'll just drink out of this. Okay. That's nice, actually. I'm proud of myself. That's not bad. Can you hear that, guys? I think I overblended it. It's a bit too frothy. I definitely overblend that. And it tastes tastes way better with ice cream, guys. Get salted caramel ice cream with this. It's so good. So blend the ice cream. Obviously. Only put about 2 scoops of it. This is literally the only thing I know how to make. What I'm drinking is froth. Look. What I'm drinking is like froth because I overblended it. It's way too much. Definitely overblended. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe if you're new. I'm going to be in this series, which I think is quite fun. If it's cringy, if you think it's cringy, then just look at the title. It's going to be cringy. So if you like cringe, then watch the series. So I'm going to be doing like a series of me cooking random stuff. It's going to be really bad. I mean, it turned out alright. It's alright. But definitely ice cream next time, guys. My mum's just out shopping, so like, yeah. Goodbye, guys. Please like, subscribe, and comment.